Hello, it is nice to be with you today. The topic under consideration today is complementary angles. So right away, we are still continuing with the subject mathematics. Mathematics. And then the topic we are going to treat this moment is complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum gives 90 degrees. That is when they are added, they give 90 degrees. What I've just said now can be represented schematically by using right angled triangle, as we have earlier used in our previous classes. Right away, let's see how that can be represented. Okay, using a right angle triangle, we have something of this nature. This angle is 90 degrees. Then this letter is capital B, theta, all right? Okay? Then this side is C, capital C indeed, with description 90 degrees minus theta, right? Okay, this is a right angled triangle with this description. So what it means is that angle A is equal to 90 degrees, angle B, that's this side is equal to theta, right? Angle B is equal to theta. Then this side, angle C, is equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Okay. Then the question here is, why should angle C have a different description from these ones? Okay? The answer is very simple. It's simply because if angle B represented with letter theta is subtracted from 90 degrees, the resultant will be angle C. If angle C is subtracted from 90 degrees, the resultant is angle B, or theta. That is it. However, if angle B and C are added, they give what? 90 degrees. And that's when they are said to be what? Complementary to each other. That's very simple. What I've just said is this. If angle B and angle C are added, one will get 90 degrees. And this is one of the reasons that make them complementary angles. All right. So, having said that, next thing we are going to consider is the solution set we are going to use in solving this problem or analyzing this. However, there are two solution sets. One is okay, let's put it this way, solution set. Solution set, let's just put it the way it will be clear to our understanding. Solution set. Solution sets. Okay? There are two solution sets, as I said here, and they are represented, or rather written, as follows. One is sin theta is equal to cos bracket open 19 degrees minus theta bracket close. That's the first, this is the first solution set, okay? Then the second solution set is cos theta is equal to sine bracket open 90 degrees minus theta bracket close. We now have two solution sets. we can use this solution set subsequently in solving some complementary angle problems. That is it. All right, so let's use this now to explain how this problem or certain problems involving complementary angles can be resolved. We are going to use a small exercise, okay? The question is simplify sine theta equal to cos 30 degrees, okay? That's the question. Simplify sine theta equal to 30 degrees. We are going to consider a solution set to this question now. Solution to exercise 1. Solution to exercise 1. We put down, first of all, we put down the question. The question is sine theta is equal to cos 38 degrees. Okay? That's the question. The next thing we are going to check is, since we have this kind of question, which of the solution sets matches this question? And then we move on from there. All right? Okay. So the question remains sine theta is equal to cos 30 degrees. The solution set that matches this question is sine theta is equal to cos, bracket open, 90 degrees minus theta, bracket close. So we have sine theta is equal to cos, bracket open, 90 degrees minus theta. That is a perfect solution set to this question. All right, look at the question and look at the solution. Two things are common. In fact, about four. Okay, two things are common. Sine theta, right? That's first set. Cos and cos, another set. So let's begin with the first one. We cancel out this. All right, and we are left with what? We are left with cos 90 degrees minus theta, all equals to cos 30 degrees, okay? That is it. That is it. Okay? You can see what we are left with. The next thing is to cancel again, because cos appears on the left hand side and also appears on the right hand side. So we do away with it. And we are left finally with 90 degrees minus theta, all equals to 38 degrees. All right. So, having said that, the next thing we are going to consider is the issue of making the theta the subject of the formula. And we move on. Therefore, minus theta is equal to 38 degrees minus 90 degrees. And we have minus theta is equal to, now 38 degrees minus 90 degrees, we give a negative value, which is minus 52 degrees. At this point, what we need to do is to cancel sign on both sides. Cancel out. We now have, therefore, theta is equal to 52 degrees. This is just the answer. Solved. Theta is equal to 52 degrees is the solution to this question. Very simple. It is the complementary angle to this sine. Okay? It's very simple. All right. Okay. Having said that, many more of this will come your way. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Levi Kingsley, and then like our Facebook, visit our Pinterest, Instagram, Reddit, Twitter, the Likey, all these things will come your way. Thank you very much for your time.